If we want to know the amount of vertices, edges and faces in Blender, we can come to this icon here, which displays the window with the viewport overlays, and here we activate the statistics checkbox. This checkbox shows us information of what we have in the scene. The amount of objects, here it's indicating 0 objects selected from 3 objects in total, the cube, the camera and the light. If I duplicate an object, for example, now we have 4, one of them selected. Here I select another one and we get 2. On the other hand, we have the total amount of vertices of all objects together, but if we go inside an object, we get the amount of vertices of that particular object, and if we select some vertices, we get information about that selection. That's pretty much it. Remember that it's this icon here, the viewport overlays, and this option is accessible in both object mode and edit mode. Here, for example, if we go into edit mode, we still see this option and we can activate and deactivate it. So that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one. Tschüss!